The pandemic changed everything. Small businesses closed all over the country. Over 40 million people filed for unemployment last year alone. And our communities are struggling. Small cities and towns all across the country, even before the pandemic, were struggling with their local economic opportunity. I've worked with small cities and towns all over the country, and these communities have an opportunity right now that was unimaginable just a few years ago. These communities have local leaders that are saying, we want a thriving downtown, we want a strong local economy. How do we get there if we don't have foot traffic, if we have vacant storefronts? They don't know the first step. There is so much potential in our small cities and towns, and there is so much passion for creating great places that people are proud of. And we know what to do. We need to invest in the people and places in those communities. We need to uncover this hidden economic engine of small-scale manufacturing to create more opportunity for more people in those places. And we need to stop waiting for the cavalry to come save our small towns. We can do it ourselves. There is so much in your community that can make it great already. Invest in the skills and the people and the places you have now. I wrote a book. It's called Recast Your City: How to Save Your Downtown with Small-Scale Manufacturing. This book is for local leaders that want to get it done. It is a hands-on DIY book, all for community leaders who know that their local economy can be so much more, their downtown or Main Street can be so much more, and they're ready to make it happen. This is all of the steps to get there.